He reminds the people, he reminds all the players that many years ago, when Bush was planning to occupy Iraq, he also talked about a conference for the peace process to end the conflict between Palestinians and between Israelis. And it was very clear that after he got the support from Arab states like Saudi, like Jordan, like Egypt, they didn't do anything for the peace in Palestine. Now, it's the same. Bush is planning to invade Iran. And because he's planning to invade Iran, he needs the support from the states of the Middle East. And the Imam emphasized again that this is a great deception, and they will do nothing, and the conference will fail, and nothing will be achieved.
سمحوا لي يعني تحت ال50 سنة. طبعا شعور يعني بشعر الواحد في الإحباط إنه مقدسات له يعني يروح يصلي لله ومنعوه يصلي.
ما فتش الثاني نفس الشيء. أنا معي تصريح للدخول لإسرائيل كمان.
This is his permit. According to this permit, he can go to any city in Israel, but not to the mosque. What does this mean? This means that they are humiliating us even in our worship.
يعني هذا مسموح لي أشتغل عليه لكن الصلاة لله مش مسموح لي عليه.
For both guys, they are the same. When we reach the checkpoint, and the first time he was allowed to continue, then they seized him and they repeated it back. ليش مفتش؟
المفتش مسكرين يعني وكل صغير في السن.
Those young ladies were not allowed to go. They arrested them after they passed.
وصلنا الكرسي جوا مجند رجعونا.
For Jerusalem, all the Palestinians dream that it will be the Palestinian capital. It will be the everlasting dream for Palestinians that Jerusalem is the capital of Palestine.
ولا طمر فيش عنا في الدار طمر ولا شيء. ثانك يو.
من هان وكم
والله ضلت ماسك. زينب راحت مع لطفي ضلينا الثلاث مع بعض.
عن الجبل كلنا.
They talk about Israel must break with the borders of the 1967. And according to those borders, East Jerusalem is Palestinian. Now, many Israelis bought houses in East Jerusalem, in addition to the new quarters built around East Jerusalem, because they want the Palestinians to be minority in the United Jerusalem.